Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can embed a video on X. To embed any video, simply click on it and then click on the three dots. Tap on embed post. Now from here, you have to choose whether you want to embed the video or you want to embed the post. Because we are only interested in the video, we shall tap on embed video. Tap on embed video. Now from here, grab this code and copy it. Now it is successfully copied. Go back to your Twitter account and click on the home page to create a new post. Now come and create a new post. What you simply need to do is to paste the code here. Now from here you have to delete everything apart from this message, this one. So let's go ahead and delete everything. Once that is done, go ahead and post. Now as you can see, the tweet has successfully been embedded and you can see the source of the tweet here from which we grabbed the video. Thank you for watching and kindly subscribe to this channel. Bye bye for now.